Okay, I'm going to start up 1992 Sonoma 4.3 engine. I'm going to be scrapping the body and selling the engine and transmission. So I've already taken the compression tests, and it ranges from 165 to 175. Four of the cylinders are 170. Because this truck was, I guess, had some mice problems and probably chewed up some wires, have to jimmy this a little bit so that I can start it. So here goes. On it reads about 148,000. I can only assume that that's correct, but I have no way of verifying that completely. We're going to go into the cab here and take a look at some gauges. They're electronic gauges, and the alternator is charging about 14 volts, which is correct. The oil pressure is reading about 60 psi. This one can be changed from metric to standard, but I've put it in psi, and you can see everything seems to be functioning correctly. So anyway, just to give you an idea. So anyway, so if somebody's interested in this, at least they know it's running.